Come here quickly.
What happened? Why are you so angry?
Wait, you will be angry too. Let her come.
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
What is this? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about this?
She attempted for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You have gone so far without informing us?
Mom, Dad, I knew you won't allow me to pursue my dreams. I've always wanted to serve my country. What's wrong in that?
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform, and the valor.
Asma, please understand. How can we send you and face death every day?
Mom, if I were a boy, would you say the same? No, right? You would be proud of me. Just because I'm a girl, you are not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will not send you. And we are looking for a groom and you will be married soon as possible.
बचपन से ही कभी रूप, कभी रंग, तो कभी व्यवहार के लिए टोकी जाती है। तुम अकेले कैसे करोगी? कहाँ रहोगी? कहकर न जाने कितने अवसरों से रोकी जाती है। कहकर न जाने कितने अवसरों से रोकी जाती है। पर ए ज़माने, तेरी यही सोच बर्दाश्त नहीं होती। तेरी यही सोच बर्दाश्त नहीं होती।
Where are you? A letter? A letter again?
Dear Mom and Dad, I'm sorry for disappointing you, but you left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a great soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma.
What is this? Why are you crying?
Serious? Asma has left the house. Our daughter has left the house. Bring her back.
No, I know. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back home at her own. Military training is not very easy. She will come back home soon. Let her face the reality.
Boys and girls, welcome to Indian Army.
Thank you, sir.
चिल्लाकर तुम लोगों से देशभक्ति के बारे में नहीं पूछूंगा। तुम देशभक्त हो, इसलिए यहाँ पर आए हो। From tomorrow onwards, intense training will start, and you will get your agenda by tonight. Remember that there is no mercy for anyone during training time.
Okay, sir.
Louder!
Okay, sir.
Louder!
Okay, sir.
Stand at ease.
Sir, I'm Asma Malik. I'm also part of this camp.
Oh, really? But you are late.
Sorry, sir. I've come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expecting to join the army with this seriousness?
Sorry, sir. Please allow me to join this camp. I've left everything behind to be a part of this. Please, give me a chance.
Okay, I will give you a month. If you prove yourself, you will be the part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Cadets, attention! I will meet you tomorrow. Are you ready for tomorrow's training?
Yes, sir.
Louder!
Yes, sir.
Let's check. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Dismiss now.
अरे अरे ये पापा की परियां यहाँ पे भी आ गई। इनके लिए घर वर कम था तो यहाँ पे भी टपक पड़ी। अरे देखना ये 3-4 दिन से ज्यादा दिख ही नहीं पाएंगी। फुर्र करके परियों की तरह उड़ जाएंगी।
3-4 दिन क्या? 2 दिन में टिक पाएंगी। लकी शर्ट। समय को भी तलाश है। तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लो नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तू आरती की लो नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है।
Mom,
Asma, how are you, dear?
I'm fine, Mom. How are you and Dad?
We are also okay. Me and your dad are always worried about you.
I know, Mom. I'm sorry for what I did. But Mom, can I ask you something? This 15th August, can you please come to our camp?
Is Independence Day? Okay, I will try to talk to your dad.
Okay, Mom. I love you both.
Bye, my child. Take care.
Excuse me, are you Asma's parents?
Yes, sir.
Major KP Singh, Commander in Chief. I am Asma's mentor.
I am Asma's father.
Namaskar, sir. How's Asma?
She is perfectly alright. She has completed her training successfully and she is the best of the two. She is there. Lieutenant Asma Malik. You know what? We think big for ourselves, but not of our daughters. Our daughters can get off and turn off like this. But we also think of their encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams.
मुझे अपनी बेटी पे गर्व है।
मुझे नहीं, हमें अपनी बेटी पर गर्व है।
Parade,